students! Your teacher is there with a new sound. And guess what? The phonics sound is... You can see the formation here. Now, when you say the sound of your tongue comes out automatically. You can see in the picture below. Now it's story time. The clowns at the circus are very funny. They run around and tickle each other with feathers. One naughty clown is rather rude. He sticks his tongue out a little, saying, another clown is very rude. He sticks his tongue right out, saying, "T, t." Everybody laughs. Now it's song time. Do listen to the song carefully. Now it's song time for the teacher. Did you ever hear a rude clown make this sound and that sound? Did you ever hear a rude clown say th, 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 th? Now you can see there are so many words which has the sound of th. Let us read down the words below. The first is thief, think, thick, thing, thirsty, third, thorn, thumb, three, thin, thirsty. All these words has the sound of th. I hope everybody will practice the sound of th. Thank you.